Is it visible now?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, so my name is Wasim Alam and I'm your Excel trainer. So today is the first day of demo session where we can see how many stages are there in learning of Excel course. Like three important stages. Like first one is shortcut keys. Second one is formulas. We have like 50 formulas from like this is my formulas tab. These 15 these 15 formulas are basic formulas like I will be completing within 2 days maximum. Then after that, advanced formula will be started from dollar concept. Use of dollar concept will be using in every formula, like from VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP till the last formula, like some product till this formula. In every series, even in the conditional formatting, we will see these concept of the dollar. And then shortcut keys are there, like for yeah. These are some tabs which I've created for every topic day wise. And these are some examples of shortcut keys. We have like 200, more than 200 shortcut keys in the Excel. Not every shortcut key is mandatory for your learning purpose, but we have some important shortcut keys like 15 to, we have some 15 shortcut keys out of them. What is the difference between basic shortcut keys and custom shortcut keys? And these are the proper explanations in the C column where you can see. And then day wise, like for example, on daily basis, I will teach you like on day, for example, on day 22nd May, I started basic shortcut keys. Same shortcut keys I will tell you what is the use of first shortcut key. Then on day second, I will start formulas like use of dollar, basic formulas like day wise. Then this is your assignments like once I will complete the VLOOKUP part in the Excel. VLOOKUP is the advanced formula in the Excel. In every interview, they will ask about VLOOKUP. Like we have like five important theories of VLOOKUP and some practical questions which I have given in the book. Question number 6, 5. Question number 5. Two types of data we have. Like this is your base data and this is your output data. Like where I have applied VLOOKUP. My concern is get the output of name subjects in different columns. On the basis of roll number, what is the name of this roll number? 1 0 0 0. On the basis of this roll number, I'm getting Wasim. Then on the basis, what is the result of 4 0 0 0? So on the basis of this data, if I delete something, same thing is happening in the below. Why? Because here I have applied one VLOOKUP and this is my table which I have selected. Then in table array, I have selected column number 2, this one. I'm giving some overview, so don't confuse. Once I will start advanced topic, then I will tell you every scenario where VLOOKUP will fail, okay? Where VLOOKUP will pass. Understood? So these are some multiple assignments on daily basis. Like this is your advanced topics, then index match, these things. Every formulas I have covered in different tabs like countifs and countifs. Then these are some data which I have shared, and these are some important 10 questions. Okay. Then after once I will complete, this will take 15 to 20 days for completing whole part of your formulas. Then the third one is dashboard. These formulas which I'm showing in here in the PDF form, like third one is dashboard. These types of dashboard they can ask in the interview, what is the use of dashboard? Like if I open a latest dashboard in front of you, if I open it, just hold on. This one is dashboard session. This is the dashboard tab where you can see some details of sales in the different view. Sales, the number of sales month wise, number of sales location wise, and number of portion in the percentage form, and number of sales of quantities sales in the bar graph. Then what is the total number of price quantity grouping wise, how many quantities we have covered of sales price against, then how many this data is showing you how many customers are interested for buying your items. Like, so do you have any idea for dashboard? If you have any idea, if you tell any point of dashboard, what you are understanding as per dashboard.
For analysis purpose.
Very good. Analysis purpose is a big deal, is a main point. Okay, anything else?
For reporting purpose.
Yes, for reporting purpose. Yes, very good. Like, so on the basis of my report, what you are understanding, what I'm showing you, if you're looking at my dashboard, what I'm telling you, what I'm saying,
How many customers are interested in our product from location wise and
if
other.
I'm looking at my first 4 views, on the basis of these 4 views, I'm showing that these are the sales which I'm showing in the different form. Like one slicer which I have created for items, like these are the fixed items which I have sold, which we have sold to the in the different location. These are the locations which we are dealing in 3 different states: Alwar, Bangalore, and Delhi. Then how many serial number? These are in every serial number. Like if I click on laptop, so against this laptop we have sold 4 serial number. One serial number name is purchase, and another 3 is 1073 113 1114. If I click on desktop, you will see some different output. If you deselect, this is the option how to get your overall data. Same thing, what is the total sale of Delhi out of uh, pan India sales? Then here just you need to click on Delhi. Now these are the total sales of Delhi which I'm showing you, and for which month, if I want to see the August month, right now I'm telling you, I'm showing you these are the total sales of August month in the location of Delhi, and these are the 5 items which I have sold it, 5 serial numbers. On the basis of these 5 serial numbers, these items were sold. Understood? I got it. Got my point. What I'm telling you.
Yes, yes.
These are some overview which I'm giving you. Like on last day or in the second last topic, once I will start the dashboard, then I will tell you one by one, because dashboard is the part of your pivot table. Like once I will create pivot table slicers, then you will understand. Okay. So today is the first day. So right now I'm giving some overview. Let me close this tab. And these are some different topics which I have cleared on daily basis, like nested ifs which I have covered. Like these types of formulas you will see. This is the complex formulas of like apply the conditions and get the data according to score of students, and apply one more condition in the pass fail category and give the ranking status. Like, so these types of formulas you will see in the upcoming sessions. If I type 30, if I type 30, my result is changing. Understood? Pass fail, and my ranking status is also fail. Grading status is also fail. Why? Because last criteria which I'm showing you, last criteria which I'm showing you, that is about less than 40. Guys, give me 1 minute. Someone is knocking at my door. Give me one. So these are some criteria which I have set, like ranking status. If the score is greater than or equals to 100, then you will get ranking status as first rank, and second rank between 90 to 99. Third is 80 to 89. Fourth is for distinction 7 to 79. Then first division 60 to 69. Second 50 to 59. Third is 40 to 49, and last one is less than 40. So on the basis of nested ifs, I have applied some formulas. If I type 39, now the results are fail. If I say 90, I'm getting second rank. Understood what kind of implementation I did it here? Guys, understood?
Yes, yes.
This is like just not proper topics. I'm giving you these types of advanced things they can ask in the interview. These types of questions, like, and same thing, tax percentage. These are some salaries and these are some tax slabs. Okay. So let me start without wasting my time. Let me start the first topic of shortcut keys. These are two shortcut keys. Okay. These two shortcut keys, what is the difference between these two shortcut key? If you read this point, what you are understanding according to this point? What I have written in the third column, in column C, against these two shortcut key. Can anyone please tell me if you have any idea what I'm showing you here? No worries. So these are some shortcut keys which I have written here, and on the basis of two shortcut keys, like window R is common in your basic shortcut keys, whereas same thing is applicable in custom shortcut keys. And what is the meaning of window R? To open the Excel workbook. For example, if I type window R, you will get run option in your system. Understood? Till this point, understood what I'm teaching you here?
Yes.
Now, this time, if I type Excel on your screen, the moment if you click on Excel, now I got one fresh workbook which name is book 1. Understood? Till this point, understood what I did here?
Yes, yes.
Again, if I type Excel and if I click OK, what will happen? Book 2 will be open in front of your screen. Just click on OK. What is my Excel workbook name? Book 2. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Same thing as I have shown you in book number case. Right now, if I type CT control N, this time if I press control N, book 3 will be open within 1 second. Just you need to press control N. Now book 3 is open. Now which shortcut key is taking time? Window R or control N? Which one?
Window R.
Window R is taking too much time as compared to control N. It means control N is more
Faster.
more helpful in this scenario. Okay, so in this scenario, control N is more advanced. Now, right now, if I close all this workbook, what will happen in that case? How many workbooks are active on my screen? This is my first one, copy of Excel practice notes. Then second is book 1, book 2 and book 3. If you close all workbooks, now this time if I press Control N, now there is no workbook on my in my PC. If I press Control N, am I getting any workbook on my screen? Is there any workbook?
No.
It means Control N is disabled in this case. If there is no workbook active on your screen in that scenario, it means in this scenario Control N is failed. So only in this scenario we use Window R first time, then type Excel. In this scenario, Window R is successful, but in the other case, Window R is also successful, but this will take too much time. Understood, guys, what I'm telling you? Right now, you can use Control N because at least one Excel is active on your screen. Right now, Control N is enabled. Book 2, Book 3, Book 4, Book 5. Within 5 to 6 seconds, I have opened 4 other workbooks. Guys, understood what is the difference between these two shortcut keys?
Yes, Wasim.
Okay, I'm closing all Excel workbook because I have completed these two already the last session. But do you have any query in these 2 points, in these two shortcut keys?
No, clear.
Okay, very good, great. Okay, so we have completed these two shortcut key. Now, if I talk about basic shortcut key, like what is the difference between two shortcut key? Control N is not visible in your Excel workbook, but if you use basic shortcut keys, press Alt. The moment if you press Alt, now these shortcut keys are active on your screen. F is used for file, whereas H is used for home. N is used for insert, P for page layout, M for formulas, A for data, R for view, W for view, Y automate developer. These steps are not required. Okay, currently. So understood? The moment if you press Alt, you will get these options. Understood?
Yes.
Now this is your basic shortcut keys, because these all shortcut keys are visible on your screen in the Excel workbook. If you press H, what will happen? This home tab is activated on your screen. Now we have entered in the home tab, where you can see different types of keys, like B used for border, and this one is used for bold, and H is used for highlighted colors, background colors. Understood? Like if I say, if I highlight this cell, Alt H, then H one more time. Now here you can highlight any background color. Understood? Understood what I'm
Yes.
telling you?
Yes.
Same thing. How to remove background from here? Either you can click here, or here you can click no fill. Another way is Alt H one more time, then N. Now background color is removed. Understood? So these shortcut keys you need to work on like in your weekends tomorrow. So how many shortcut keys are there? Because everything is there. If I press Alt F and L, Alt, then F, then N means new, L for blank workbook. Same thing is happening. Understood? This is the like basic shortcut key of Control N. Now new workbook activated on your screen. We have opened the new workbook. Again, if you type Alt F and L, now book 2 is activated. And the moment if you press Control N, now which one is more helpful for you? This one or this one? Control N or this one? This shortcut key?
Control N.
Yes, Control N. So in the real-time project, always remember these shortcut keys. Focus on these shortcut keys. Understood? Now I have completed these shortcut keys. Now till this point, any doubt? If you're comfortable, I will start these two. Control, what is the use of control page down, page up? Any doubt in this two?
No, clear.
Okay. I'm closing other workbooks because this will sometimes the file becomes heavy. Now control page up. So, control page up, control page down. These two shortcut keys are common in the case of basic shortcut keys and custom shortcut keys. Okay. Similarly, window R is common. Control page, these two. What is the meaning of these two? This is some navigation from left tab to right tab. This is your left tab and this is your right tab. Understood? If you press control and if you press page down, now we have entered in the next tab, which name is formulas bracket 2. Understood? Guys, understood what I'm telling you?
Yes, yes.
This is navigation movement, moving from left tab to right tab. The moment if you press now, right now, shortcut keys is your active tab, and these all are inactive. This one is active. Now, the moment if you tap control page down, now we have entered formulas. Again, if you press control page down, we have entered in third tab. Till this time, I am using control page down, page down. If you hold page down button, what will happen? Now we have entered in the last tab. Understood? Because I hold two buttons, control page down On the basis with the help of this shortcut key, I have entered in the last tab, which name is sheet number 4. Understood till this point?
Yeah, Wasim. So
Yes,
if there is no other sheet
Yes.
available or tab available, then what is the use of it?
Right now, after sheet 4, there is no tab. If you hold it again, no
Hmm.
movement, no navigation.
Okay.
Navigation is already over. Till the last tab, navigation will start and will be ending till the last tab. Sheet 4 is the last tab. Again, if you press control page down, now control page down is not working. Understood? Now, right
Yes.
now,
Okay.
if I type control page up, what will happen? This will go to important tab like this one, this tab. Okay, just press control and paste page up. If you can open a fresh workbook in your laptop, then you can apply, you can implement if you want. Then you can see, okay, what is the benefit of these shortcut keys in your daily routine, you can say, in your daily work. So right now, if I press control page up, now navigation started. Now we have completed almost all tabs. Now page control page up is not working. Why? Because now we have entered in the first tab, which name is notes. Understood? Right now, control page up. Similarly, control page up is not working like control page down. Control page up is not working. Understood? If I add 2 more tabs, again control page up will start. Now sheet 27. We have entered in the sheet 27. Understood these two shortcuts? What is the benefit of these two? Guys, any query? Any question? Do you have any question?
no, sir. No, sir, clear.
Okay, great. Now the third one is in the row number 6, if you see F2 is also common. What definition I have written in the third column? Can you please tell me what I'm telling you?
It is used for editing,
Editing in the cell,
typing.
editing in the cell or formulas. Like for example, here by mistake, if I type, okay, now this is my mistake. Instead of F2, by mistake, I have written how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 types I have written 2. Okay. Now how to remove these 2? So first basic thing is, as you know about, like if you double click on this button, use backspace button. This is the basic thing. But what you can do with the help of shortcut key, press F2. Now with the help of F2 button, uh, now we have entered. Now you can easily edit anything in front of you what you have written. Now I mean, either you can select shift and down, right arrow. Use shift and right arrow. You can select these 7 and press delete button or backspace button. Understood? What is the use of? Right now what I'm doing, I'm editing with the help of shortcut key. If you press F2, here I can do anything. And uh, if I add some important note, if you add, if you want to, with the help of F2 button, I can write anything like. Understood? What is the use of F2? F2 is used for editing. Have you understood right now till this point?
Yeah, clear.
Now here in this formula. Okay, this is my count formula. Right now I did one mistake. I have selected from here to till my current cell. I'm getting 0. Okay, so right now it means I did one mistake here. I'm not getting the total count. Count should be 0, but what I'm getting 0. Understood? What I'm analyzing here? My formula is telling that my count is 0. But if I'm looking at my data in number of rows, how many counts are there?
7.
7. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but still I'm not getting my I'm not getting with my formula through count. It means one mistake I did it in my current formula. Understood? Have you understood what I'm telling you here?
Yes, yes.
So in this scenario, press F2. Now, what formula I'm showing you?
Count.
Yes, count formula is activated on your screen. If I press escape again, now the formula is inactive. Again, if you press F2, formula is activated. Now here you can delete or add something in your formula. Understood? If you press F2, now right now, instead of E8, just type E7, enter. Now I got the final result. Understood?
Yes.
Understood what is the use of formulas? Like once I will start advanced formula, then you will see the big advantage of F2. Understood? Once I will start it. So F2 is used for editing in the cell or formulas. Now this shortcut key, how to add borders in your screen and how to remove border. Creating all borders in the table. Right now, this is my table which I've created. Don't just ignore my formula, what I'm doing here. Right now, I'm preparing one formula in front of you. Okay. Alt H. Now my manager is saying, Wasim, can you please add borders in your table? Understood? The simple requirement from my manager. Guys, have you understood?
Yeah.
My manager
Yes,
is
yes.
saying, can you please add borders in your table? This is simple thing. So what you can do, just select your data. Shortcut key is Control Shift right, then right arrow. This is your shortcut key. Control plus Shift, then right arrow. Control Shift right arrow. After that, down arrow. Down arrow. Sign is not there. Down arrow. Control Shift right arrow. Down arrow. Now we have selected my table. Till this point, any question? How can you select your table in the Excel?
Clear.
Right now, either you can click here and click on all border. Is it better than the first format? Is it better than the first format which I had created 2 months back?
Yes.
So instead of clicking on this option, what you can do, select your data, press Alt, then H, then B, then A for all. What is the shortcut keys? Alt, H, B, A. This is your shortcut key. Alt, H, B, A. Alt, H, B, A. If you want to add thick border, what you can do? Alt H BT. Select your data, Alt H BT. This is my thick border. Thick outside border. Understood? Guys, understood?
Yes.
Now how to remove your border? This is your shortcut key. Alt H BN. Removing the borders from your data. Select your data, same thing, Control Shift right, then down arrow. Use Alt H B and an option or a option. Which option?
An option we have to
An
remove
option.
borders.
Yes. This one. So on with the help of this shortcut key, you can create border and you can remove the border. Any doubt till these two shortcut keys? I know this is some boring topics in day one, but once I will complete it and I will be sharing 240 around shortcut keys. You will see and you can work. Okay, just complete your shortcut keys, 5 shortcut keys in one day, every day. Okay. Yeah. Once you will complete 50 shortcut keys in the Excel, you can save your time. If you're preparing any MIS report, anything in your real-time project, so you can save your time with the help of shortcut keys. Understood? What is the advantage of shortcut keys?
Yes. In saving.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So we have completed like 7 shortcut keys. Some shortcut keys are pending, like how to delete your rows and columns. For deleting the columns or rows. This is your custom shortcut key, and this is your Alt H DR for rows and Alt H DC for deleting your columns. H I. Right now I have selected row number 10. Okay. If you click on format option, if you click on insert option, you will get these options: insert cell, insert sheet rows, insert sheet. Okay. The moment if you click rows, one row is inserted in your screen. Understood how to insert your rows?
Yes, ma'am.
Shortcut key. Again, if you want to insert, Alt H I R. Click on OK. If I'm copying a new from workbook, and because this file is very heavy right now, if I want to add, just how to select your entire row. Shortcut key is Shift space, Shift space, Shift space. Now entire row we have selected of 10. If you want to select column, entire column, shortcut key is control space, space bar, shift space bar, control space bar. Entire column is selected. K column. Now, how to insert your rows? With the help of shift spacebar, press Alt H, I, R. Same thing you can apply for how to insert column. Select Control spacebar, Control spacebar, Alt H, I, C. C is used for columns. Understood? Alt H, I, R for inserting rows. Alt H, I, C for inserting columns. Again, if you want to add one more column, first press Control spacebar, or you can select G column, use Alt H, I, C. If you want to add entire row, select any row, press Shift spacebar, Alt H, I, R. Understood?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
understood till this point?
Yes, sir.
Because these are some important topics that is the reason I'm telling you how to do the same thing. Now, same thing, how to delete rows. I'm copying it so you can easily understand. Now, this is your uh, this is your basic shortcut keys, and how to do the same thing with the help of custom shortcut key. Simple shortcut key is there. Control minus. Control minus is common in both case. Sorry, control shift minus. Control shift minus. Okay. Control shift plus for inserting. Right now I'm telling you how to insert, and control minus is used for deleting. Okay. So right now, again, if you want to add one more row between A4 to A3, select shift spacebar, use control shift plus. Right now, with the help of control shift plus, I have inserted one more row. Again, if you want to add one more column between Thursday to Friday, press control spacebar, use control shift plus. Control shift plus. If you are using a desktop, in that case, use control plus. If you are using desktop system PC, but if you're using laptop, use control shift plus, this shortcut key. Guys, understood how
Yes,
to
sir.
insert the same thing with the help of custom shortcut key? Control shift plus. Now, same thing for deleting the columns or rows in data. Right now, if you use Alt H DR, D means delete, R means rows. Same thing, D means delete, and C means column. Understood? What is the difference? What is the meaning of D plus R, D plus C? If you want to delete this row, again use Shift spacebar, use Alt H, D for delete, R for delete sheet rows. This is your sheet rows, row number 5. The moment if I press row, the last row is deleted. Understood? Guys, understood? Again, if you press
Yes, yes.
Alt Touch DR, this one is also deleted. Same thing. If you want to delete columns, select press Control Spacebar, Alt Touch DC. Again, Alt Touch DC. Understood?
Yes, Vasim.
Great. Same thing. So similarly, if you want to delete the same thing with the help of custom shortcut key, what is the custom shortcut key? Custom shortcut key is control minus, sorry, control minus this one. Control minus. Control, if I put my cursor here, control minus, use shift spacebar, control minus. If you want to delete this column, uh, right now press control spacebar, press control minus. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
So we have completed these 4 shortcut keys. Now Alt Touch OUR for hiding rows. How many shortcut keys are pending? So okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes is pending. I will complete it. These 2 shortcut key. This one, control for hiding your rows. This one. Okay. What I'm telling you here, if you look at the basic shortcut key, what I'm telling you here, what are you able to understand?
Hiding some data.
Hiding rows.
Rows.
R for rows. Okay. So here Alt O H, Alt H, then here O, hide, O, then U. After U, press R. What will happen? I'm writing my name. Okay. In row number 23. If I follow Alt H O U R, is there any change? What I have done it here, I have hidden the row number.
Your name has
23 row number is hidden.
23.
22 and 24. How to unhide? Just right click here and unhide it. Okay. Now I'm getting my name. Same thing. If you press Control 9, Control 9 is also same thing. So that is the reason this one is more helpful. Which one? Custom shortcut keys. Understood? So I will be sharing this tab with you. Please work on other things. Okay. In your mm, free time, apply these all shortcut keys, and other 200 plus shortcut keys I will be sharing in the PDF form. Understood?
Yeah, Vasim.
Give me 2 minutes. So in day 2, hello, is it audible?
Yeah, Wasim, audible.
Okay. So these shortcut keys I will be covering in, or you can work on it. Okay, just try it from your side. This is your first assignment. Okay, I'm sharing this shortcut key with you. Understood?
Yes.
Practice on the other shortcut keys, and these all shortcut keys what I taught, and 239 shortcut keys I will be sharing after some time. In day 2 I will start formulas once I will complete it, these formulas, because once we will enter in the stage of formula, because first stage we have completed already. Now the second stages we will enter on Monday. Here I will tell you about what is the use of sum, count blanks, count A, everything. Understood? This is your more interesting part as compared to shortcut key. My Excel is hanging.
Yeah, CI to me.
Give me one. My Excel is hanging. So I have done my today's session. Okay.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello,
Is it
participants
audible?
there.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Okay, I'm Firdaus, the admin for Technist Academy. I hope you all liked the session. And the fee for the session is 1500 rupees. And if anyone is interested in joining us, they can connect on my personal window. Or if you need any other further information regarding the course or anything, you can connect on my personal window. My number will be available in the generic group. You can connect with me, okay? I will be sharing the recording tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. The recording will be available in the groups. You can check them, okay?
What is the day and timings for this?
Okay, our classes are from Monday to Friday, evening 8 to 9 p.m.
Okay.
And if you take up our classes, we provide the recordings of all our sessions and the hands-on and assignments. Already the trainer might have informed you regarding this. And this is not like you'll be having any 6 months of like most of the institutes, they give you only 6 months of recording access and all. But we are actually providing it for a lifetime.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, our teaching portal is Graphy. On Graphy, it will cost you 50 rupees. It's like one-time registration for lifetime access. Okay. Apart from the fee.
Link also on the groups.
Yes. Once we complete our registration process, we'll be sharing the link for Graphy.
Okay, and how long this batch will be?
This is for 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yes.
January. Okay, January.
Yes, January.
I hope we are clear. If anybody else is having any queries, they can ask, or you can connect on my personal window.
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So we'll call it a wrap.
So thanks for your time, guys. See you on Monday with the same timing, 8 p.m. Happy weekends, guys.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Good
you, sir.
night. Take care.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.